Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we are actually going to be tearing down the engine and putting the head gasket, block guard, oil pan, gasket and oil pan. I'll show you guys the oil pan as well. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get started like so. Pull this out. We have a new one. Throw that away. Let's go ahead and evenly loosen these. So the two middle ones are the tallest ones, and I'm pretty sure I got the wrong head stud kit. This thing could have had a blown head gasket, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you consider that as blown head gasket right there? This thing is garbage. We're gonna go ahead and start on the oil pan gasket. We're gonna end up taking the seal off as well. Now that's there. It's pretty good, pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and torque them down. Have it set at 9 foot-pounds. This is the torque pattern I will be following. Oil pan is secured. Next up is the head. We did get the block guard in. Look at that. This shit ain't gonna work. Shit don't even line up, bro. There's a chip right there too. I guess I'm gonna be running this with no block guard. It happens. Damn. We finally got the right head studs for the non-VTEC head. I don't know why I didn't read that last time, but we finally got them. We could finally reassemble the head. Sucks that the block guard didn't fit, but we're just gonna take our chances and then see what happens. These were the two that we needed for the middle. Let's go ahead and put these ones on first. all nice and set. We got the head right here, just so you could slide it on. We will start with all the washers first, and then we'll go into the nuts, because we will be applying the torque lubricant on the washers and the nuts on both sides. It does get a little bit messy, just like that. Alright guys, so once we have all these hand tie-in, we go ahead and hit them with the torque specs. And then this is the torque sequence we're going to take. I got it off the internet. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I also got these torque specs off the internet, off some kind of forum. It looks like first pass is 29 foot-pounds, second pass is 51 foot-pounds, third pass is 72 foot-pounds. This is another like torque specification type of sheet. This one, it says head bolts are torque, first pass is 22 foot-pounds, second pass is 63 foot-pounds. But I'm gonna go with this since it is a higher torque reading or a higher torque spec, because I am running head studs. So we got it at 29. Now we're gonna crank it up to 51. Now time to bump it up to the final spec, which is 72. Head is torqued down. Let's go ahead and just double check them real quick. There you go. Head's all nice and torqued down. Let's put the cams in. Yeah, we got some things from Nomis Industries. All we got is the cam seal, but they send us out a couple of air fresheners and some stickers. I like it because they had this raw aluminum look, and it'll just sit right into there like that. We're gonna go ahead and torque these down. First pass is gonna be 2 foot-pounds, and then the second pass is gonna be 7.2 foot-pounds. Now that we got the head all the way on with the cams in, we did the oil pan, head studs. We were supposed to do the block guard, but unfortunately that didn't work out. But we'll just see how this motor does with just some head studs. So that cam seal looks really good. Nice, I like that. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go down below and hit that like and that subscribe button, just so you guys are posted and updated of every time I upload a new video. I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Peace.